See if this AK can do that. Better not be shooting the same one as me. You and your hacked gun, look at it.
Hello, targets.
Hello.
That's Feckler and...
Feckler and Cruiser, I got overlay on, don't I? Alright. Just gonna hit these zombies down here. That's embarrassing, I missed. No, I didn't. He glitched.
When you shooting it?
I'm just shooting anyone's now.
Alright, do you see that one in the suit with next to the wall? In the industrial building? You see?
No.
Crap, missed it. Didn't miss, I haven't, he's dead.
There's one crawling down there. There's two crawling down there.
Oh, stuff a lot of zombies.
Just gonna hit that one down there. He's down!
Who you guys shoot at?
I was just shooting at zombies. Target practice, innit? Keeping an eye out for snipers as well, so you guys don't get sniped. Ah, you killed him, you bitch. Oh, stop shooting the same one as me. Alright, which one? Who's with the flash? Who's got the flashlight? Feckler, is that you with the flashlight?
That'll be Aaron.
Who's in the supermarket?
Standing next to him.
Is anyone in the supermarket?
No? Where's the supermarket?
Near the coast.
We are by the coast.
No, I mean like the...
Oh yeah, I see it, I see it.
That's Kilo.
Boom.
Yeah. Oh, headshot.
I'm gonna stop now and I'll keep some of my ammo. Got 2 mags left for my DMR.
Yes, we'll stop there too. 1, 3, we're going at it.
It's me shooting.
Is that car working down there?
Ooh, what one?
That one. No, never mind, it's broken.
No, that's a fucking one.
What's that, you got a Lee Enfield?
Yeah.
Right.
Can't have the Enfield really.
Yeah, I love the Enfield. If I had a scope, that'd be so cool.
That would be awesome.
Wish the crossbow had a scope or some sort of sights.
A quiver would be nice as well.
A what?
Quiver? Weird. Can't remember the name of it. I think that's right. This thing that holds all the arrows in it.
Find it! Oh, can I have a go at your gun? Drop it on the floor.
Alright, as long as you promise to give it back.
I will give it back.
Do what now?
Right. Thank you. Ah.
There's a map here.
Ah. Ah, I love this gun.
What gun is it?
It's hacked in. There was a hacker on recently and he dropped it, so we took it. Probably get rid of it soon. It's
There's no point in getting rid of it. We want it to last dying breath.
M43 is it?
We should travel into Mordor and throw it in the lava.
M4A3 grenade launcher with ACOG. I dropped again, dude.
What?
There you go.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna take my dog a walk in a minute.
You are?
I'm gonna take my dog a walk in a minute.
Alright. Hope the weather's not like it's like in DayZ.
All over here.
It's always like this where I live.
Yeah, same actually. Nice and cloudy.
I want to get used to it.
Yeah. Not that bad.
You're both dead, yeah.
Yeah. Alright. I'll see you in about 20 minutes or so.
Alright.
Speak to you.